Hello, today I will show how we can make communication Kinco DToolsPRO program and Delta DVP-32-ES3. This is my PLC here, just I only have one Ethernet cable, so my PLC is connecting to my laptop only. This one, just I want to show we can make online simulation using Kinco DToolsPRO, and have also we can make one program with Delta PLC and Kinco HMI together and test. So first we need to make program. Just I want to make one simple program here and the test. Test dash Kinco. The first important thing is first you need to make communication between to your PLC and ASP.soft. For this we need COM.gr software, and you need to make one driver. You need to find driver here. So I already have, so no problem. I can make another new driver here. Just SE dash Ethernet, and communication we need to use Ethernet, and here first we can search one time. Here need to choose your internet connection using your laptop here. So my Ethernet here is Intel R Ethernet connection, and this one time I can make search is finding. I see here already find, and IP address also is correct here. So this is my SE3 192.168.1.5. This is my SE IP address. Okay, I can make save. Just in ASP.soft I need to choose that driver here, SE Ethernet driver. Okay, and tools and system information. So now this is correct. So I already communicating by COM.gr and my device PLC here. Quickly we make one simple program here. Y0, Y0 and M1. Only this. I make compile and download to my PLC here. Just okay. My PLC have password. If from you don't have password, no problem. So again yes, and we can check online one time. Okay, just can show you here. Now Y0 is on, is off. So this means my program is working correct here. Now I need Kinco DToolsPRO, and I will make one simple program here. A new project, just in desktop. Again, dash. I will choose any HMI, so just only should be with uh, Ethernet. Okay, next I can go, and here is important for settings. Just this IP address should be from here up to here should be same to my PLC. So these three parts should be same, and last one just we will change here. And here was 1, and my PLC is 5. I can make 10. Okay, no problem. Just if you're using if you're using some Wi-Fi and the gateway is here for your Wi-Fi. So first you need to communicate with Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi is communicating with your HMI here. And I need to go next here, add one device, and choose Delta and SE. And you can see here by default is IP address is same to my PLC. Actually, I didn't change my PLC IP address until now, so by default already the Kinco DToolsPRO no, so this the IP address is like this here. Okay, no need more things here. And okay, here can make one simple program. We need variables here. Need to make some variables. M0 example and M1 and Y0. Okay. Need to choose M0 and inverse. Oh, I need inverse. Okay. This is my M0 here. Just the better I make. Okay, start. Text is into language start. And this one is M1 and label is stop. And graphic is better I'm using here, this one. And we need one lamp, bit lamp here, and not variable, and already I have variables here, and graphic. Okay, no problem, just this. Label I can add 0. Okay, now I can go in tools and online. Okay, no need any setting here. Okay, just I don't have any errors here. Just I want to make all together. This one is here. And if I can make, okay, now so start and stop. Stop. This one is my start was inverse here. Just better. Little bit confusing now.